Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by triggering hard mode, kill the wall of flesh, because the wizard only appears after hard mode conditions. Once done, head straight to the dungeon ruins. You want underground library-like chambers and intact bookcases. Make sure to carry spelunker potions and plenty of light so you can spot NPC spawnable tiles quickly. You'll also need a strong pickaxe to clear debris. Otherwise, the spawning tiles stay inaccessible. Start searching methodically. You now set up valid spawnable housing near the dungeon room you cleared. Create a clean 3x2 floor area against a background wall and add light. Once done, place a chair, table, door, and a light source so the game treats it as available housing. Make sure to remove nearby monsters and keep distance from other NPCs so the spawn algorithm can choose your space. If you want faster results, create several such rooms in different dungeon spots. You should now wait a few in-game days and check the housing menu frequently. The wizard will move in once a slot meets conditions. If he doesn't appear, make sure your rooms are valid and isolated from biome conflicts like corruption or crimson that can block certain NPCs. If problems persist, save and exit, then reopen the world to refresh the spawn logic or expand your number of eligible rooms. This increases the chance the wizard will finally show up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.